Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4-way nail file is probably one of the most underrated tools in your nail care arsenal. This simple yet effective tool can transform your nails from drab to fab in minutes. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of 4-way nail files, exploring their uses, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to uneven nails and hello to a flawless finish. Number 5. Iridesi 4-way nail file and buffer kit. This kit is designed for filing, buffing, and shining your nails. It's a complete solution for achieving a professional manicure at home. It's perfect for both men and women. The file features 4 different grit levels, each designed for a specific purpose. Starting with a 240 grit for filing, progressing to a 3000 grit for a smooth, shiny finish. This ensures a perfect result every time. The adhesive keeps the sandpaper firmly attached to the board. This ensures the file is durable and long-lasting. You can even use it on your feet for a pedicure. Unlike other files, this one starts with a fine 240 grit, preventing damage to your natural nails. It glides smoothly, removing material without shredding. It's also a convenient size for travel. The high-quality abrasive material minimizes particle shedding. This means less mess and a cleaner filing experience. Cleaning is easy with isopropyl alcohol or a manicure brush. What we like? This nail file offers multiple grits for filing, buffing, and shining, ensuring a comprehensive nail care experience. The high-quality abrasive material means virtually no particle shedding, keeping your workspace clean. If you're looking for a complete nail care solution that's also easy to clean and maintain, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect tool to keep your natural nails neat and healthy. I love the 4 different surfaces, and the buffing surface leaves a nice shine. Like the size and variety of grits. They're thin enough to get close to the nail edges. Number 4. 4-way shiny block nail buffer. This innovative buffer block is designed to give your nails a stunning, high-gloss shine. It's a simple way to achieve professional-looking results at home. With 4 distinct sides, this block files, removes ridges, smooths, and shines. It's easy to use and delivers a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Made with professional-grade materials, it's perfect for both personal use and salon applications. This durable and washable block is a must-have for nail care. It works on natural and false nails, and is great for removing nail glue. This tool is suitable for anyone who loves nail art, and even works for pets. This block is ideal for removing nail wedges and smoothing surfaces. It's the perfect tool for achieving a flawless, polished look. Measuring 3.5 by 1.4 by 1.1 inches, this white block is easy to handle and store. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like? This 4-way block files, removes ridges, smooths, and shines nails, all in one convenient tool. It's durable, washable, and suitable for both natural and artificial nails. If you want a simple, effective, and versatile tool for your nail care routine, you'll find it easy to use. What people say. Each side of the block is designed for a specific purpose, from filing and smoothing to buffing and polishing. The buffer is easy to use and leaves nails with a natural, glossy finish without any added products. Step 2. Remove ridges. This definitely filed down my ridges. Step 3. Buff. The buffing section worked nicely to finish smoothing my nails after removing the ridges. Step 4. Polish and shine. I honestly didn't expect much from this section. Well, was I wrong? After using this section, my nails look like I have a shiny coat of clear nail polish on my nails rather than just my natural nails. Number 3. Tropical Shine Mini 4-way Buffer Block, 2-pack. Introducing the Tropical Shine Mini Buffer Block. This tool is designed to give you professional quality results. It's perfect for shaping, smoothing, and polishing your nails. This versatile tool has 4 sides for all your nail care needs. You can file, shape, smooth, and shine your nails with ease using this compact block. The mini design makes it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. It easily fits in your purse, so you can keep your nails looking great wherever you go. The polishing side gives your nails a beautiful, glossy finish. It enhances your nails' natural luster without any extra products. Made from high-quality materials, This buffer block is durable and reusable. Simply rinse it with water after each use, and it's ready for your next nail care session. You'll get multiple uses from this dependable tool. What we like. This mini buffer block is designed for convenience, making it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. It delivers a long-lasting glossy finish, enhancing the natural luster of your nails. If you're always on the go and want to keep your nails looking their best, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Each block provides 4 essential steps: shaping, smoothing, buffing, and polishing, making it a convenient and comprehensive nail care solution. The mini size is perfect for travel, fitting easily into purses, makeup bags, or even pockets. One side will file the nail, each color side will tell you what it does, and the corresponding colors exfoliate the top of your nail, smooth it, and lastly the shine buffer. Number 2. Canvalite Nail Buffer for Natural Nails, 9 PCS. This handy tool includes a 4-sided nail buffer block and several nail files. It's a nail file, smoother, and shine buffer all in one. Each side is clearly labeled for easy use. This buffer block is great for natural nails. It buffs ridges, smooths edges, and polishes to a natural shine. Regular use can improve splitting and cracked nails, keeping them healthy. The high-density sponge filling makes this nail buffer strong and flexible. It's built to last, so you can rely on it for a long time. The perfect size makes it easy to handle and comfortable to use. It's lightweight and fits in your pocket, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. This kit comes in a premium gift box, perfect for sharing. In just minutes, you can achieve salon-quality nails at home with this set. What we like. This all-in-one nail buffer shapes, files, smooths, and shines, providing a complete manicure experience. It helps improve the health of your nails by buffing ridges and smoothing edges. If you want a simple, effective, and versatile tool for your nail care routine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These files work well. Absolutely love the quality of these nail blocks and files. The size allows flexibility. They are durable and last a long time. Comfortable in the hand, the gradation from abrasive to and polishing sides makes sense. The quality is superior to most. Number 1. Tropical Shine 4-Way 5.5 Nail Buffer. Introducing the Tropical Shine 4-Way Nail Buffer. This handy tool provides a complete manicure experience. It allows you to file, smooth, buff, and shine your nails. Made with high-quality emery material, it's built to last. The buffer is gentle on your nails, ensuring a perfect finish every time. The buffer features clear, numbered steps. Achieving a high-gloss shine is effortless and user-friendly with this product. This nail buffer is washable and disinfectable. It's a hygienic choice for both personal and professional use. Whether you have natural or artificial nails, this buffer is perfect for you. It provides a smooth and shiny finish for all nail types. What we like. This 4-way nail buffer provides a salon-quality manicure at home with its 4 surfaces for filing, smoothing, buffing, and shining. With clear numbered steps, achieving a high-gloss shine is effortless. If you want a simple, effective, and versatile tool for your nail care routine, it is the perfect choice. What people say. The nail file works great. This is the best nail file I have ever used. It is easy to use and does a great job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.